Mapeguard is a waterproofing system suitable for applications in wet rooms and showers, both domestically and commercially, and can be used externally for balconies. The Mapeguard system comprises of the following components, all of which may be required to fully waterproof the substrate areas. The Mapeguard WP200 is the main waterproofing component. The waterproof anti-fracture membrane is extremely thin and allows for fast-track installation of tile finishes. The Mapeguard ST is a tape which is used to tape the joints in the Mapeguard WP200 and for internal or external corners. The Mape IC and EC are the preformed internal and external corners, which make applying the system easy to complete. The Mapeguard adhesive is a fully waterproof two-component cementitious product which ensures a completely waterproof seal between all joints. Let's apply Mapeguard. First, cut the Mapeguard to the required sizes for the room or areas it is to be installed in. The Mapeguard is best cut using scissors or a knife. Once cut to size, the pipe inlets can be measured and the location of these pipes transferred to the material. The Mapeguard can then be cut. If the Mapeguard is to be applied using a drain, this area can be cut away. Once all materials have been cut to size, the tile adhesive can be mixed. Mapeguard can be installed using any Mape C2 adhesive. For faster installation, a rapid setting material such as Mapeguard could be considered. When mixed, the adhesive should be spread onto the wall or floor area using a small notched trowel. Ideally, a 3 or 4 mm square notched trowel is used, and all ribs should be running in the same direction. Once an adequate area has been covered, the Mapeguard WP200 can be applied. Simply press the membrane into the adhesive and use the flat edge of a trowel to compress. Sweeping the trowel from the center out to the edge will force any unwanted air pockets out, ensuring full contact is made between fleece and adhesive. The Mapeguard tape will require cutting to lengths for any internal corners and/or joints in the Mapeguard. When applying around the drain, peel back the Mapeguard and apply the Mapeflex MS45. When reapplied, remove any excess MS45 and smooth. Once the membrane has been applied, the Mapeguard WP adhesive is ready to be mixed. Empty the liquid contents into a clean mixing vessel. Add the powder and mix with a mechanical stirrer. The Mapeguard WP adhesive can be applied by brush or trowel and should be applied to all internal corners, joints in boards, and pipe inlets or outlets. Work in small areas, ensuring the product does not start to form a skin. When applied, the Mapeguard ST can be applied to all joints overlapping onto the internal and external corners. Extra Mapeguard WP adhesive may be required at the overlap junctions. At this point, ensure that full contact is made between the tape and the adhesive. Pipe gaskets can now be applied to the Mapeguard WP adhesive. Mapeguard internal and external corners can now be applied into the wet Mapeguard adhesive. Once complete, the installed Mapeguard needs to be left to dry. This is dependent on the drying time of the C2 adhesive. In the case of the Mapeguard, the tiles can be installed after 2 to 3 hours.